Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting a steady grip and drawing two guidelines, the baseline and a midline. Begin with 1, then 2, then 3, writing each numeral large and deliberate so shapes form correctly. Explain why. Clear initial shapes make later numbers consistent. Once done with those first 3, check spacing and stroke direction. Make adjustments now so the remaining numbers follow the same rhythm and size. Practice each numeral once before moving on to the next set. Now you move to 4, 5, 6, and 7 using the stroke patterns you set earlier. Break each into 2 or 3 clear motions. For example, form 4 with a vertical, then horizontal, then diagonal, and make 6 by starting at the top and curving around. Explain why. Consistent stroke order improves speed and makes shapes predictable. Once comfortable, write each numeral twice in a row, checking that height and weight match 1, 3, so the full sequence looks even on the page. Finish by writing 8, 9, and 10 using the same proportions established earlier. Make 8 as 2 balanced loops, 9 as a loop with a tail, and 10 as one followed by a neat 0. Explain why. These composite shapes rely on prior size control to look correct. Once done, scan the row for spacing and alignment. If a digit looks off, erase lightly and redraw that single numeral. One troubleshooting tip. If strokes look shaky, slow down and reconnect shapes deliberately to regain consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.